don't know what the hell she's saying, but
I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some honey's on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some up on the front seat. We gon'
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today, I am recreating my very first Black is King look. Of course, it's done by none other than Rokael. Rokael is so amazing. Every time, it's not even just when he touches Beyoncé. When he does anybody's makeup, it's flawless. I'm gonna place the IG right here on the screen. You guys feel free, and his link will be down below in the description. But make sure you guys scroll through his Instagram, support his new lash brand that just dropped. Like, Rokael is amazing. The work is effortless. It always looks so youthful and just glowy, and just he's everything. And he's such a sweet and humble spirit. So definitely make sure that you guys tap in and support him. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. I wanted to start this video off with my brows because that's something that I never ever really do on camera like that. And if you haven't seen, I do have a updated brow tutorial. So let me go ahead and grab the product that I'm gonna need so I can get started with the brows. You guys know that I really prefer like a very soft and natural bushy brow. So I have since added the Got to Be glue to my brow routine. I literally squeeze some out onto the top and then just run it through my brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in my brows. It is just the same oldie but goodie, my NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso. Show you guys the makeup look that I'm going to be recreating before I get started. I really like this makeup look. It was very subtle. It gave like just a very neutral style crease with a pop of color for the wing liner. So that's the look that we're going to be recreating. In order to recreate this look, I'm going to be using my Desi and Katie Friendcation palette, and the shade that I'm going to be using is Girl Bye. So now that I've kind of like laid the foundation for the shade, I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend even more. Now that I've also done this as well, I'm also going to take the time to go ahead and jump back into contouring my face so that way I can connect my nose contour to the transition shade or the crease color. This is the GOAT. This is what I'll be using. I'll be using my Black Radiance contour palette, and this is the powdered one. And then of course I'm using the contour shade. And with your nose contour, you always want to connect it to your brow. And baby, let me tell you one thing about brother Rokael. Rokael will make a nose disappear. The way that he contours a nose is like the dream, okay? Like, ooh. And immediately after that, I just dust off that excess face powder. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Necessary, and I'm going to place that on the mobile lid. The color that B had on her lid was like a very, like a green-ish color. So what I'm gonna do to make that even more intense, so I'm going to start with, and Covergirl doesn't even make the Queen Collection eyeliners anymore, but this is an old Covergirl Queen Collection eyeliner that I have in the shade Jade. And then what I'm going to do is line the top of my lid with this and then go over it with that green liner from NYX. Y'all see how vibrant that is? This might be a vibe going forward, like wearing colored liner on top of the lid. Now for the actual color that it looked like she actually had on her lid, this is the NYX Retractable Eyeliner Crayon Pencil, or just Crayon. Is waterproof and smudge proof. So y'all pray for me when it's time to take this off. This is what it looks like. And this is it swatched right next to Jade on my hand. The Jade liner to get that perfect shade. Ooh, y'all, this looks so pretty together. Okay, Rokael. This is so cute, y'all. I want to scream. Okay, so what it looks like Rokael did, it looks like he took that shade that was on the mobile lid and brought it halfway in, and then used the green on the inside to kind of like tight line and frame the eye. And I believe she has like a bit of nude liner in her waterline, so we are going to cross our fingers and just go with that. Go back into this shade here, which is Girl Bye. I'm gonna go ahead and dust under here. Really making sure to just kind of like focus that shade on the outer corner. Using my NYX pencil, the retractable eyeliner, and literally I'm going under the lash line. So I'm gonna go back with more of the Girl Bye shadow and kind of just blend that into that line, because it looks like Rokael kind of just focused it on the inner 2/3 of the eye. This eyeliner is from LA Girl, and this is the Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Eyeliner. This is in the shade Super Bright. So this is what that looks like right here. I don't know what the hell she's saying, but already is like one of my favorite visuals from Black is King. Using my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Alright, so we are going to pop some lashes on. And once we pop the lashes on, we're gonna come back and do the lip. And after we do the lip, baby, it's over, okay? It's over. I may not be Beyonce, but I can be like Beyonce. Pooh, it's the look for me, okay? It's the look. Let me go ahead and, like, you know, put my little brow gel on. We're gonna do highlight and then we're gonna do the lip. My Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in the shade Sandcastle. So this is Sandcastle right here. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with my Nika K lip liner. Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna be using Tiana Taylor's matte collab in the shade Good Morning. Literally just gonna take the slightest bit. And if you haven't seen my review on Tiana Taylor's collection just yet, I'll make sure that I link it in the description bar below. I'll also place a card across the screen so that you guys can see it as well. And then I'm gonna use the lip glass in the shade Gonna Love Me. And it's gonna marry everything together. You know what? I should have used Tiana Taylor's highlighter for this look too. Matter of fact, that's exactly what I'm about to do. So this is House of Petunia. But let me hurry up because my thing about to go out. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Yes, House of Petunia was it. I feel like such a doll baby with this look. Let me go ahead and like fix my hair off camera and then I'll be back. So this is it for the final look. I am so pleased with the way that this turned out. I'm really loving all these celebrity recreations that I'm getting from some of my favorite makeup artists. It's definitely challenging my artistry and making me step and think outside of the box. As always, Rokael, you do such a beautiful job on my queen. I cannot stress it enough. This look was just so like, it wasn't even one of like the main looks, but me being the person that I am, especially as a makeup artist, I catch every little detail regarding makeup. So I had to pause the screen. I'm like, I'm gonna redo that look. I really like the pop of color with the wing. So this is my very first recreation from the Black is King film. If you guys would like for me to recreate any more looks from Black is King, or if there's any specific looks that you guys want me to recreate, definitely leave those down below in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.